we received these parts. This is the power supply. Data cable. This is a pen holder tool. The pen holder toolkit. This is the X-axis. And the host. First, we need to install the X-axis, which is to put it in this position. The first step, unscrew the 4 flange nuts on top. We use the toolkit. This wrench. Use the wrench to loosen the nut. Loosen the nut. You can take it out. The 4 flange nuts on the top, which are larger, with edges which are larger. Take them out and then put these to gaskets. And take out the 2 gaskets. Okay, the 4 below don't need to be removed. These 4 here don't need to be removed. Don't take them out. That's it. Then install the S-axis. Install it. Then put the washers back in this position. Because this hole is relatively large, we need to install a washer here. This side. Then install all 4 nuts. After installing them, we need to ensure that it is flat. Then use a wrench to tighten it. Tighten it with a wrench. Just tighten it. Okay. Now let's connect the wires. This one is the contact switch wire. There are 2 switches at the bottom of the machine. It's the line for the automatic origin, collision switch, and the collision switch. There is a wire with here, an X on it. This is connected to the X position. This is the S-axis, and this is the Y-axis, and this is X. The other one is unmarked, which is the Z-axis. Then we follow this line to connect it. This is XX motor. This is the Y-axis. The Y motor. Connect to the Y motor. It has a direction. It has a direction. There is a raised part here. Yes, this notch. This is the Z-axis motor. This is raised. Yes, this interface. Okay. Next, we need to adjust the sewing machine thread. This notch, yes, this one. Okay. And then below, there is a wire clamp. This line we will clip it later to hold the thread. It's locked in advance. We need to take it off. Let's take out the toolkit. There are 4. There are 4 hexagon wrenches. Let's take them all out first. The second to last one. Let's take this out. First, remove this screw. There's a wire here, be careful. Clip the wire here. Yes, clip it on. After clamping, we can lock it in this position. When we clip, we should be careful. Try to clip it down a little bit. Because if we clip it down a little bit, because the position inside is just right. Right, like this. Then lock the screw. At this time, we stick it to the farthest end. We also need to organize the inside. We also need to tidy up this position. It's better to tie it here. That's it. Don't pull it. We use the zip ties and the zip tie toolkit. Here is the X. This X motor. This pillar is inside. We first pass this pillar through. Pass it through, then tie this wire. Or you can tie them together directly. Tie this wire or the S motor together and tie it inside the pen holder. The line will not be pulled, so it won't be pulled quickly. Okay, finally, we can cut this line with scissors. That's it. This line is from a friend. It's perfect. Then the next step is to install the pen holder. This is the holder. And cut it. Inside the holder, this is the pen holder. There are 3 screws inside. Actually, we only use 2 of them. One is for backup in case of loss. This is how we install the pen holder. The pen holder is installed like this. Install the 2 holes above here. We use this one. We take this. The third from the bottom, the second one. The third from the bottom. This screw can be locked in. Okay. Lock this screw into this hole. And this groove. There are 2 screws here. You can adjust the angle by locking one first. Lock this screw first. Lock these 2 holes. These 2 holes. Let's put the screws on first. First, put the screw on. Lock these 2 screws in the pen holder, the hole and the groove, because this can adjust the angle. The middle hole. First, put the screw. Then lock it. Lock this hole first. Just lock it roughly. Just don't let it fall off. Just turn it twice. Okay, then lock the other screw. And lock the other screw. The angle can be adjusted inside. There is an angle adjustment here. Let's lock it first. Then we can find a pen at this time. Find a pen, because we need to lock this first. To lock it first, it's just a little bit tight, but it can still rotate. In this way, we can adjust its angle slightly. It can't be too loose. Then we move the pen to the end. Let's try it. Let's try what angle. Normally, when we adjust it to the edge position, like this. This pen. The tip of the pen can touch this. The line. Touch the line. Generally, we adjust it. You can see that it can be written on both sides when writing, and it can also touch this side. Right. Okay, let's loosen it. At this time, we can tighten it. Let's test it again. Okay, it can be tilted to the side. And it can also be written to the edge here. It's about like this. Let's bend it a little more. It doesn't matter. Okay. Adjust it a little bit more. Okay. Okay, after adjusting this position, At this time, tighten the two screws again. Tighten them again. Tighten both screws again. Only in this way can it be fixed. Then, if we use the escape software, it is the start position. Start position. If we use the domestic software heavy load calligrapher, we use the origin in this position. Okay, that's about it. Here is the wiring. This is a USB data cable, this end, to the USB port of the machine. The other end is connected to the USB-A port of the computer. If some computers don't have USB-A, you can choose a USB-C to adapter. Then this power port is here. And this white interface, this is for laser. It's for laser extension. If you want to add a laser later, you can connect to this laser interface. That's it. And here, B, we usually adjust the height of the pen. You can choose the height of the magnet. You can put a magnet below here. Move the pen to the magnet's position. First, loosen the pen. Loosen the screw. Loosen the screw. Put the pen on it. At this time, then lock the pen. Tighten the screw. Its height, it's fixed. The fixed height is the same as this one. This is 2.5. Or if the height is a little higher, its height is fixed. This bracket is 2.5 by 4.5. It's okay. It's fixed. It's a little higher. It's just a little higher. This is about 4.5. If it's flat, this is 2.5 millimeters. It's okay, generally a height of 2.5 to 5 millimeters. These are two kinds. Two heights. This is about 4.5 centimeters. This is 2.5, okay?